pop on your head, and then it applies any sort of makeup. And it can paint on a fake mustache for any of you guys that can't grow facial hair. Now, only $35 from the warehouse and any Maybelline store. I could not live without it. I just had to grow a mustache. Now, I've got 3 boyfriends. Don't tell Mom, please. I look gorgeous, and all of my friends are completely jealous of me. Now, I'm hated by everyone. But at least I look great. Now for my infomercial.
I want to put makeup on, but I have no hands.
I just can't get this blush right.
I feel so unattractive.
Yeah.
Thanks. I need help. Well, you need the Makeup-inator. A Makeup-inator? A Makeup-inator.
Wow.
Powder your nose. Blush those cheeks. Wait, what about me? Put on that mascara.
What can I give her?
Foundation. It really works.
It's amazing.
Any foundation?
I can see a bottle in there.
My life?
I can see
It's
a bottle in
complete.
there too.
So's mine.
You're like,
Let's
look
clap
at
our hands.
gorgeous.